Pull out of it.
Wait, what's up? There's BB shooting at us.
The gun. Check batteries.
No, I just see BBs just flying just past us. So I don't think we're gonna... Yeah.
Check a battery.
No.
Hi, YouTube. All the way in building 10.
Shut up.
We got a couple of guys. And just ran to 10. They're fine.
We're gonna run to 10 real quick.
Our first guy just got taken down. Yeah. Pull your dead rag out. Hold off to the other side.
Andrew.
Alright. Hold on. Just one more thing.
You good?
Come up on
there's one in the 1B or 11.
I'm gonna move to 9. Andrew, we're gonna move to 9 real quick, alright?
Hold on. We got 1 and 2. One of our guys is 2. Ready to go forward?
Alright, yeah, I'm going to 9. Ready? Ready to go.
Left side of 7. Left side of 7. Looks like 2 guys are behind it. Possibly 3. One guy down. Left side of 7, back corner.
Got him right.
Looking. He's not looking. Alright, back 32. Alright, he's looking. Alright, he's gone. You got him. Somebody else got him, actually.
Is that someone else in 1? In 1, is that us? Right ahead, is that us or no?
I don't think that's us. I think we only have 2.
I think that's us, because he's pointed the other way.
Alright, I'm going to push forward inside the building. I think that's us.
That is us. That's us. Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yep. Where are we moving to?
Okay, I'm gonna frag building 10.
Yeah, just
I'm gonna run up on him, frag him and all that fun stuff.
Hey, I'm gonna move up, alright?
I quit it.
Let's game. Let's game.
Good game.